Hey guys, welcome to another video at Sweevel's Garage. This video, we're going to work on the Terminator Cobra. So I don't do a lot of Terminator content like I used to. If you want some, you can check out my previous videos that are probably a year or two ago. But this one is my 12,600 mile 03 Cobra. It's a 475 mmR stroker, 3.4 Whipple, twin disc clutch, built RS, E85, it's got it all. So today we are going to put the icing on the cake. It has a lot of like the good stuff that everyone wanted back in the day. Obviously you want the new 3.0 Gen 4 Whipple or even the other one. But I got a new old stock speedo sound pillar for this car. It's never been installed. The guy bought it back when they still made them and he put it away. So if you're big into 03 Cobras, this is like a holy grail if you want a gauge pod. So it's kind of like the amber taillights. You either love it or you hate it. So I'm putting it in there. I'll show you what we're taking out. And it'll be a nice little quick video and I'll show you how nice this thing fits compared to the aftermarket. Here it is, guys. Open up the door. Sorry, the sun's in like a bad spot, but here is the one that's in the car right now. It's not bad, but you can see like it just looks cheaper than original. Not by much, but original, cheap stuff. So Speed of Sound actually puts this thing on an original pillar. So it clips in factory just like it should. Color is exactly like it should be, like the other side, and it'll look just like it should be instead of that. So this one isn't terrible, but I have 2 gauges, and this came up for sale. It was a lot of money. I'm not gonna even tell you what I paid for it. But like I said, this car has it all. So pretty cool car. I don't drive this thing much. I should, but it's, I don't know. You'd have to see it in person to fully understand. But let's get that old one out. I'm hoping that it's an easy swap for, these holes are pretty small to get wires through. So I hope it's easy, but we'll see here in a sec. Now that I'm working on it, you see all these clips? I guess this clips to the original one just like that one, but that one you see the original one. This one is an overlay. You can kind of see there, but I haven't worked itself out yet. But like, see what I'm talking about? If you want to be super picky like I am with this car, see the difference in the color, original and not. Like this car I'm stupid picky about, so that's kind of why I'm doing it. But let's get this thing all the way out and I'll show you side by side outside the car so you can see it a little bit better. Got it out, guys. As you can see, the wiring is pretty nice and tucked. It's kind of hard to get out. That's why I only had 1 clip, but these holes are a little bit bigger, so we might have to make those ones bigger for, this is probably the biggest clip that's got to get through there. So I think it'll fit, but like I said, this one uses the original one too, which I didn't know, but you don't see it. So it's an overlay, which is a good fit, but if you're really picky like me, you want this one. So let's go take a look at this one. Side-by-side comparison here on the color. As you can see, it's a little off. So let's get these gauges swapped over and I'll show you what it looks like installed. You'd think this would be a 10-minute swap, but let me tell you, fishing those wires way back, like here's my finger, I can't even touch the hole. Back there I had to use this, and it was kind of a chore. So got them through though. 1 more gauge. Well guys, been having trouble trying to get the AFR gauge, which is an AM with an overlay in it. You have to cut this one off, the little nub, as it hits the wires. So right where the wires are coming in, where the hole is, the metal piece hits. So if you don't cut it, you might hit those wires over time with the vibration of the car. So I just cut it, now it should go right in. So this, what I thought would be a pointless video, is actually might help somebody if they watch it and do a Speed of Sound gauges. So I'm gonna see if it fits now and get her all in. Still doesn't fit, guys. See that rivet right there? That's making it hard. So I pushed it in so I can kind of get a mark right there, you see it? So I gotta go grind that a little bit to get it to fit. All right, boys, we got it in. As you can see, it's nice and out of the way. That's what I like about it. That's what everyone likes, I think. but let's make sure they work. And for you guys that stuck around till the end, maybe you've never seen this or heard it, give you some Terminator porn. Gauges are working, so that's good. Fuel pressure's working. Yes, it's warm, guys, don't worry. Love how this thing sounds. It's pretty cold out today. Seattle's a little lean. I'll show you guys under the hood for you guys that haven't seen it. Here we go, boys. Are you ready for this? So those speed of sound gauge pillars, you can see how cool they look from the outside too. They're like sought after, like the amber taillights, which I don't have because I absolutely think they're ugly. But they're sought after like these True Forge tanks. These are the nicest tanks you can get for an 03 Cobra. I don't care who you are. And then people argue if you want the one piece or the two piece. Well, the one piece probably looks cleaner, but the two piece isn't bad. And I paid $2,200 for these two tanks from a guy off Instagram that they weren't even for sale, but I offered him that and I got them. So this car kind of deserves it, in my opinion. And it's been coming along pretty good. So if you guys are local and ever want to see this, don't be shy and just comment. I like to show it off. So I don't drive it a lot because I don't want to get rear-ended by texting and driving person, stuff like that. So the parts for these are getting more harder to find, especially if you want these cars as nice as this one. So that's kind of why I don't drive it a lot. So when I drive it, it's usually sideways. You can ask all my friends. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I know this was a kind of weird video, but it is winter here. And the next video, you'll see me. I've been selling quite a bit of my cars. I got something big coming. So you guys will have to wait for that video. I'm not done editing. And hope this will get you guys by for a little bit. You guys have been asking where I'm at. And this car, I've had that thing for 8 months. I kind of lost it for a while. And this car was apart. You've seen a few videos ago. For quite a while this summer. Had to fix some oil leaks and stuff. But now it's all coming along. I got that in. Oil leaks are fixed. Now this year I just got to drive this thing. So if you guys like this and like seeing the car, you can see more on the other video. We did a cage lower, you can see down there, because I kept eating those factory ones. So it's the J2 Fab kit. Check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.